Here's our natural stone area. We're going to put NOCO in. Great for wide joints, great for natural stones, specifically designed to bind to stones like this and work with your wide joint applications. Sweep it, blow it, wet it. You don't have to compact it. Sets up extremely hard, over 2,500 psi. The only stand that can be considered an alternate to mortar. So very hard like mortar, yet flexible like polymeric sand. All the benefits you need for something like this. And now we're blowing off water, blowing off the surface of the stones to eliminate any potential post-activation haze that might happen with these heavily textured stones. You don't want to leave any standing water. And this will set up hard as a rock.